Good day. Welcome to this class, how to find the orders of a matrices. Orders of a matrices is always in rows and column. And row, what do we mean by row? A sleeping line. Just imagine when somebody is sleeping, that is row. Column on the other side is standing. What other thing? Row, horizontal, column, vertical. When you go to graph, row, x axis, column, y axis. Now let's take for example now, if they said 2 by 3 matrices, what they mean is that 2 row, 3 column. And let's bring this out. 2 row, that is 2 sleeping line. 3 column, standing, 1, 2, 3. Now, what will be the element now? I want to introduce element in this. 2, 0, 5, 7, 8, 4. Now, let's bring the arrangement in bracket now. 2, 0, 5, 7, 8, 4. This is 2 by 3 matrices. I'm going to leave you with this exercise. Just find 3 by 4 matrices for me. If you find this video helpful, make sure you follow me and subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Thank you and God bless you.